Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to project a satellite image onto a 3D terrain surface in Archicad. If you don't know where to download a satellite image that perfectly matches your 3D terrain, head over to TopoExport.com. The link is in the description. In a previous video, I imported this DXF file from TopoExport. The 3D elements like the buildings and the terrain are all present, but for now the rendering looks a bit flat and unrealistic. Let's improve that. First, I will change the color of the buildings. To do that, I go to Edit, Find and Select. I click on Add, then choose Layer and click Add again. I make sure the buildings layer is selected, then click the plus button to select all the elements in that layer and close the window. Now in the surface settings, I assign a new material. For this example, I will pick golden beige. And there you go, the buildings now have color. Now let's take care of the terrain. First, go to the floor plan view, right click on worksheet and click new independent worksheet. I rename it satellite image TopoExport. Then go to File, External Content, Place External Drawing. I select the satellite image, click Open, and place it inside the worksheet. Next, I right-click on Level 0 and select Show as Trace Reference. Then I position the satellite image at the southwest corner of the TopoExport file. To rescale the image properly, I press Ctrl K, then OK. Then I click on the southwest corner and the opposite corner of the image to resize it at the correct scale. Once that's done, I take note of the image length, as I will need to apply the texture at the right scale. Now I switch to the 3D view. Go to Options, Element Attributes, Surface. I click on New. Name the surface Satellite Image TopoExport. Then go to the texture selection, click Browse, then Add, click the satellite image, click Open, then OK. Finally, I click OK again to save the new texture of the surface. Now I select the terrain mesh and assign it a new surface, satellite image TopoExport. And that's it. The 3D terrain now looks much more realistic with the satellite image projected onto it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Archicad tutorials.